Frosty in there? Yeah. What else is in there?
No.
See the
Be
trees?
careful. Be gentle.
It's gone away. Now you have to open it back.
I know.
There it goes.
Be
It
gentle.
says, "We wish you a Merry
Here, push it from this
Christmas."
side. Push with your finger. See? And then pull it.
That was Moses' favorite toy. He'd just sit and look at
Oh,
that.
really?
Look at him going around. You see Frosty
Did you
going
open
around?
both of those last ones? You're just opening them.
What you got over there, Dan? Hot dog.
How did that
and
get
pepper.
dented there?
Oh, it is dented. Oh. Well, it won't matter.
You might put a dent in my
Get
hot
it
dog.
going. Shouldn't have that.
Time to cook out. You guys cook out stuff. Time to cook out.
What we do?
Oh, and you re-gifted it to me.
We can cook out what you got to
I
hear.
don't want to get it on the movie.
Well, you already said it. You're gonna hear it.
Oh, yeah.
Stop it and start another movie.